Hello, myself is Dr. Kausar Unnisa, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First College, KPA. Today, let us will have a topic on highest common factor in methods and techniques for business decision 1. In that highest common factors, so let us will go for calculating the problems on division method. So before going to start the problems, let us know what do you mean by the highest common factors. So HCF, or it can also be called as HCF, is nothing but the largest common factors of two or more numbers is called the highest common factors. We know that factors or common factors means the number which is divisible very easily. The two or more numbers which divided to the given number, so they are called as the common factors. Among those, the largest common factors are called as the HCF. So, what is the uh, outcome of learning of this session means? The objective of this lesson is to explain the greatest common factors of a given set of numbers by the use of prime factors. And the session outcome is here we are going to understand what you mean by the meaning of HCF as well as the problems which are relating to the division method. So let us we know the meaning. It is called as the highest common factor. The largest common factor of two or more numbers is called as the highest common factor. So let us then see one of the problems here. They have given for the calculation of HCF for the two numbers, that is 88 and 116. Now we have to divide this 116 by 88. Whenever we are going to divide the two numbers means we should consider the largest number should be divided by the smallest number. ಯಾವುದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 88 ಒಂದ 88 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬಂದು 28. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 28 ಇಂದ ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ 88 ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 88ನ 28 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 84. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸತಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 4, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 4 ಇಂದ ನಾವು 28 ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 28ನ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 7 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, 4 ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 28, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಈಗ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು HCF ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ the HCF of 88 and 116 is 4. Let us will go for the second problem. Here also the same thing what we have calculated in the previous one, that is the calculation of HCF of 25 and 120. ಈಗ 120ನ 25 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 20. ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸತಿ 20 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ 25 ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 25ನ 20 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ 20, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬೈ 5. ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಾವು ಆ 20 ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 20ನ 5 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, HCFನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 25 ಮತ್ತು 120ಗೆ HCF ಯಾವುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೊನೆಯ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು HCF ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ದ HCF ಆಫ್ 25 and 120 is 5. Let us then see the third question. They have given for the three numbers compared to the previous one. They have given only for two numbers. Here also we should take one largest and the smallest number. So when the largest number here is 306, we are considering these two, and the smallest among these two is 234. So we keep on dividing. This 234 one time will get 234. The remainder is 72. Again, we should take the dividend of the previous number, that is 234. 3 times it goes, the remainder will be 18. Again, we have to take the dividend, that is 72. Then 18 for the 72, the remainder is 0. But we should see that one more number is there, that is the 405 for the calculation of these three numbers, the HCF. So 405 again it should be divided by the last dividend of the previous two numbers, that is 80. 22 times 396, remainder is 9. Again we should take the previous number 80. then we get the remainder is 0. Now we should say which is the what is the highest HCF of these three numbers means that is 9 because the last almost all the two numbers we have divided. Here the last number which is divided to get the remainder is 0 that is 9. Therefore we will say that the HCF of 306, 234 and 405 is 9. So this is the third one. Let us will go for the fourth question. That is problem number 4. Define the HCF of 46, 48 and 84. Now let us will divide this 48 by 36. 1 time 36, remainder is 12. Then again we should take this 36, 12, 3 the 36, remainder is 0. But one thing, one more number is given here, that is 84. Again this 84 should be divided by the previous number, that is 12. So 7 times is 84, the remainder is 0. Therefore, we can say the HCF of all these three numbers is 12. So likewise, we should keep on dividing, we should calculate the value of the HCF. So some of the MCQ questions they have been given here, let us see people have to answer. The HCF of 12 and 16, there will be four numbers here, we have to choose any one. First to calculate the HCF for 12 and 16, then we should say what is the answer. And the second one is the HCF of two consecutive even numbers is they are given 0, 1, 2, 3. Among these three, we have to calculate what is the number. And the next is the third question, the HCF of 66, 77, and 88. We should see that for the three numbers, what is the HCF among these three, we have to select. And the fourth one is the greatest number of four digits which is divisible by 15, 25, 40, and 75. We have to verify what are these three numbers by calculating the HCF. And also one more MCQ question, that is 252 can be expressed as a product of prime. We have to check which are those numbers when we are going to multiply. Either the first one if we are multiply 252 we will get, or second or third or fourth. We have to calculate, then we should say that what is the right numbers here, either A, B and C or D. So, and the sixth question they have given that find the highest common factor for 36 and 84. There are four numbers we have to calculate what are the highest common factor. So, these are the things what have been discussed in session. Thank you.